Yo, what's up everybody? This is Dan Tanner and welcome to Tanner So Lit. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some cool tips and tricks for the 2021 Motorola G Power. Hopefully these tips and tricks will make your life and experience with the phone a whole lot more easier. So enough of me yapping. Hey yo, it's time to make it happen. Let's go. Okay, the first thing that I want to show you is something that made my life a whole lot easier because I catch myself catching a lot of screenshots. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is called the 3-finger screenshot. All right, the first thing you want to do is swipe down twice. Hit the settings wheel right there. Then type in 3. And there you see 3-finger screenshot. Tap on that. Tap on try it now. Just that simple. Now since the feature's turned on, let's give it a try. What? Just that simple. Man, this is way more convenient than swiping or better yet, hitting certain kind of buttons and everything to get a screenshot. He ain't lying. Okay, for this next one, this is something that was a huge surprise to me. I was just messing around with the phone one day and stumbled upon it. Now check this out. The first thing that you want to do is open up your camera, flip it around or whatever. Yes sir, yes sir. How y'all doing? Hit the hamburger bar right here, but make sure it's on photo. Now what I'm about to show you guys is a quick way to cut out your picture with the selfie camera or the rear facing camera. People, it's right there, right in front of your face. Cut out. You click on that. And what that does is it takes a picture of you and cut it out from the background and saves it as a PNG. So you can add any custom background behind your pic.
Lord have mercy.
Not bad for a budget phone, huh? Now the last thing I want to go over is the Motorola gestures. Yes sir, yes sir. These are legendary and never secondary for a reason. Let's check them out. Now inside the gestures menu, you got such options as double press power key, system navigation, prevent ringing, you know what I'm saying, private mode or whatever, do not disturb, power touch, 3-finger screenshot, which I've already showed you, fast flashlight, quick capture, and swipe to split. Man, all of these are legit, especially, man, the fast flashlight. Let's enable that real quick. Let me show you why. All you gotta do is shake the phone like that, and it turns on your flashlight. Let's give it a go. So hold my phone, shake it. There it is. Just that simple. Yes sir, yes sir. Now the other gesture that I'm filling in here is the double press power key. Because when you press on that, you can set it to where it launches your assistant or launch the camera. Me, I like to have the camera just for the moments when something goes down, I want to make sure I get a picture of it. So now since that's set, all I got to do is this. Right into the camera. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, I showed you one way to open up the camera, but there's another way that Motorola originated. Check this out. It's called quick capture. I'm gonna turn that on. Hit try it now. And as you can see from the diagram, when you flick your wrist like that, it activates the camera. Let's give it a try. Okay. Here we go with the flick of the wrist. Bam.
Wow, bro. For shizzle.
Well, okay, family, those are the few tips and tricks that I wanted to share with the Motorola Moto G Power 2021 and everything. And hopefully these tips and tricks can make your life that much easier and your experience with the phone that much better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Moto a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what? To feel the whole dripping madness of Dan Tanner and Team Lit, then man, do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.